Goal for Pebble Hills Spartans. First goal of the game. Pebble Hills up 1-0 over Coronado here in the first half. Coronado T-Bird goal. Coronado ties it now 1-1 versus Pebble Hills Spartans here in the second half. Goal number 2 for Coronado. Coronado now up 2-1 over Pebble Hills. Goal number 3 for Coronado. Coronado up now 3-1 over Pebble Hills. Daniel Vazquez put the goal in. Number 7. And that's the end of the game. Game over. Coronado in white takes it 3-1 over the Pebble Hills Spartans here at home at Coronado.